Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the concept of economics. So previous class we have already discussed about the production. So today in this class we will discuss about price. Now what do you mean by this word price? Price is what? It is a unit or the amount of commodity that has to be given to get the commodity. So this is the meaning of the word price, that it is the amount of commodity that you have to give in order to get that commodity. Suppose you went to the shop, you wanted to buy a shirt, so you have to pay rupees 1000 or rupees 2000, whatever the price of the shirt, in order to get that. So this is termed as price. So here what is telling that free good are those good that doesn't have any price. So free good here is sunlight, it doesn't have any price. And air is also free good, but this doesn't have any price. But air, sunlight both have utility. Next, what is equilibrium price? Equilibrium price is the price at which the quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. So equilibrium price is a price where the demand is equal to the supply. At that point where the demand and supply meet each other, that particular point will be the equilibrium price. Now what does it mean by the word price mechanism? See, any change in the demand and supply brings about a change in the equilibrium price. If there is a change in the demand and supply and this change brings about the change in the equilibrium price, so this, when price changes the demand and supply, as because with the change in the price, the demand and supply also changes, so this is known as the price mechanism. Next, let us discuss the topic. Second point is the general price level. So what is that? See, average level of the prices of the goods and services produced in the economy. When there is a large increase in the general price level, it is known as inflation. And when there is a decrease in the price level, it is known as deflation. That means general price level here is the average price level, average level of prices of goods and services produced in the economy. So when there is general price level means the average level of prices is the general price level. Now when this general price level increases, so we can tell there is an inflation, and when the general price decreases, so we can tell that is a deflation. Next, what is inflation if you discuss it separately? So inflation is what? This is a process of persistence rise in the price level. So there will be a continuous and a persistence rise in the price level. Sudden rise in the price level, you cannot tell that is an inflation. Next, there are two types of inflation. First is the demand pull inflation, next is the cost push inflation. So demand pull inflation is what? Inflation originated from the demand forces. Inflation originated from the demand forces when the demand of the goods and services exceed the supply, then there will be an excess demand for the goods and services. If the aggregate demand increases, the price will begin to rise. So demand of the goods here is greater than the supply, so we can tell there is an excess demand for the goods and services. So if the aggregate demand increases, the price will begin to rise. So here there is an excess demand, so automatically the price will rise. This is cost push inflation. What does it mean? It refers to the rise in the prices due to the increase in the cost. That means it occurs due to increase in the wage rate, wage cost or profit margin. So if the wage rate increases, then the cost push inflation will occur. That means the producer raises their prices to cover the high cost so as to earn the high profit. Okay, as because suppose if the wage cost increases, that means so the producer will try to do, the producer will also try to raise the prices. Why the producer will try to raise the prices? In order to earn profit, in order to earn high profit. If the wage increases, that means what? The total production cost will also increase, and the producer want to make the profit there. So if the producer, how the producer can able to make the profit? By increase the prices for the goods, then only the producers can able to make the profit. So that will be the case of the cost push inflation. So this much for the today's class. In the next class we are going to discuss with few more concept on economics. Till then, those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, because important videos are already posted in this channel so that you won't miss out any of the videos. Thanks for watching the video.